Oh, one's open. No, they're both open. Oh, Lucky, you were so cute. It's so cute to catch him sleeping. Buddy, I love you. You're so pretty. Folks, please like and subscribe. You get to see my very chill mustache parakeet, also known as the certified water chicken. Right now, he's just hanging on the couch with Dad. He wants to take a nap. And I love him so much. I hope you guys will keep watching him. So, again, like and subscribe. Hope you're having a wonderful Valentine's Day and look forward to seeing you on one of the next videos. Bye bye now.